name is Kevin Brown, as a lot of you may already know, and you watching Bedtime Stories, man.
Can't sleep at night. It will be alright. It will be alright.
Man, how y'all doing today, dog? I'm doing okay. It was a sunny day. The sun always makes me feel good. You know what I mean? I got some sun on my skin. The sun is always like food for my soul. You know what I mean? It gives me energy. So I had an energetic day. I was able to get a lot of stuff done. Hope y'all got some stuff done. Hope y'all got y'all homework done too, dog. Hey. But enough of all that. I ain't gonna preach. I don't want y'all to be mad at me for saying something about some homework. I know nobody likes to hear about homework, so I'm gonna just be quiet about that. But I still hope y'all got it done. You know what I mean? But other than that, we got a great book today, man. It's called Watch Me Grow by Josalyn Thomas, illustrated by Lindsay Bailey. And it's another special book because they sent it to me personally. You know what I mean? It always feels good when I open my mail and I got a brand new book. You know what I mean? It makes me feel like I got a brand new toy when I was a kid or something. You know what I mean? But, yeah, man. Enough of all that. Y'all know what to do. Go get your snacks. Get comfortable. You know what I mean? Chill out, you know what I mean? Get your yarns out, because we about to, you know what I mean? We about to read something special. It's going to give you some energy, just like the sun gave me energy earlier. Come on, y'all. Watch Me Grow by Josalyn Thomas, illustrated by Lindsay Bailey. Watch me grow from a seed in the soil planted deep. There I will find warmth and sink into the dark earth. Watch me breathe in the earth, spreading myself long and wide. Watch me become one with the earth and deepen my understanding of life. Watch me sprout up just a little when the water falls, drenching me in life, giving me all the power. Watch my stems grow little leaves, allow me to dance with the wind. Watch me blossom and spread wide when the sun hits me right, revealing my true colors and releasing my true light. Watch my bud burst in all this love and care, presenting my true self to the world. Watch me make new friends from far and wide, molding me from young to mature. Watch me grow into something else, something better, something that can change the world. Watch me fill hungry tummies, helping kids grow big and strong. Watch me return to the earth to be reborn, starting my life giving again. The end. I don't know about y'all. I don't know if y'all got that same feeling as me, but I'm feeling real energetic right now, man. This book gave me some real good energy, man, because it reminded me of how we just like plants. Humans and plants are all the same, man. We all part of God's green earth and we all need each other. But most importantly, I saw myself in these plants, man. Y'all ever saw a big, tall tree and you just looking like, dang, that's a big tree. But you don't think that this tree used to just be a seed. You know what I mean? A seed in the dirt. But that seed grew. You know what I mean? And then a lot of rainstorms then came. A lot of snow then came. But that tree just kept growing. Just kept going strong. And that's just how we got to be. You know what I mean? Y'all small right now. But y'all want to eventually grow into be a big, tall tree. You feel me? And you got to go through a lot to even get to be a big, tall tree. Like I said, the tree had to go through thunderstorms and snow. You're going to go through hardships too. But you just got to stay strong and keep growing. And then one day someone will look at you like, that's a big, tall tree. You know what I mean? But they're going to say, that's a big, strong human. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, that's what I learned from it. That we all the same. Plants and humans and animals, all that. We all the same, man. So we all got to work together to take care of this earth and to take care of this world. You feel me? What did y'all learn from it? Whatever y'all learned, email it to me and let me know because I really want to know. And we got to thank again Miss Josalyn Thomas and Miss Lindsay Bailey for sending us this book, man. All their information is down below in the details, man. Make sure y'all add this book to y'all collection, man. But yeah, man, I'm about to go do me some exercises or something because I got too much energy from this book, man. So, like always, be you, be true, and be back tomorrow morning for the morning word, man. Where my exercise equipment at, man? I gotta get this energy out before I go to sleep, man. Peace out, y'all. Yo, how y'all doing, man? My name is Kevin Brown, as you already know, and I appreciate y'all for watching Bedtime Stories. But I got something even better for y'all. I got a 4-week course called Finding Purpose Through Art, where I teach your kids ages 10 through 14 how to find their purpose while also learning how to write books. I wrote 6 books myself, man, and writing changed my life. It helped me understand myself and dig deep inside myself and find things I didn't even know were there. And I want the same for your kids. And also, at the end of each course, I'm offering the chance for your kids to publish their own book underneath my company for free. This is a kid named Michaela Rickerson. She took the course, she passed it, and she wrote a book. Now she's getting paid. So if you want to get involved, click the link in the bio, and that's it.